हमें लड़ाई नहीं करनी चाहिए। We should not fight. We should not fight. मुझे आर्मी में जाना है। I want to join the army. I want to join the army. अब हम बड़े हो गए हैं। Now we have grown up. Now we have grown up. तुम्हें कहानियाँ सुननी चाहिए। You should hear the stories. You should hear the stories. इसने मुझे नहीं बताया। It didn't tell me. It didn't tell me. तुम्हें अंग्रेजी बोलना आनी चाहिए। You must know how to speak English. You must know how to speak English. तुम इतना टीवी मत देखा करो। Don't watch so much TV. Don't watch so much TV. उसने मुझे बुलाया था। He called me. He called me. अगर समझ में न आए तो दोबारा पूछो। If you don't understand, ask again. If you don't understand, ask again. हमें क्रिकेट का कप जीतना है। We have to win the cricket cup. We have to win the cricket cup. अपने साथ अच्छे लोगों को रखो। Keep good people with you. Keep good people with you. घर के बाहर चप्पल पहनकर जाओ। Wear slippers outside the house. Wear slippers outside the house. यहाँ पर कपड़े बहुत महंगे हैं। Clothes are very expensive here. Clothes are very expensive here. मुझे स्कूल के लिए ड्रेस लेना है। I need to get a dress for school. I need to get a dress for school. कल मुझे फीस जमा करना है। I have to deposit fees tomorrow. I have to deposit the fees tomorrow. क्या बात है, इतने उदास क्यों हो? What's the matter? Why are you so sad? What's the matter? Why are you so sad? कोई मुझे बुला रहा था। Someone was calling me. Someone was calling me. अब इंडिया का नाम बदल रहा है। Now the name of India is changing. Now the name of India is changing. हमें कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा इसके बारे में। We will have to think something about this. We will have to think something about this. मुझे लगता है भारत वर्ल्ड कप जीत सकता है। I think India can win the World Cup. I think India can win the World Cup. मुझे जाना होगा उसने मिलने। I have to go to meet him. I have to go to meet him. तुम्हें अपने माता पिता की आज्ञा माननी चाहिए। You have to obey your parents. You have to obey your parents. आज मुझे दोस्तों के यहाँ खाना खाना है। Today I have to eat dinner at friend's place. Today I have to eat dinner at friend's place. मुझे लगता है हमें आज नहीं करना चाहिए। I guess we shouldn't do it today. I guess we shouldn't do it today. आज हमें कॉलेज नहीं जाना चाहिए। We should not go to college today. We should not go to college today. क्या मुझे कोई काम मिल सकता है? Can I get some work? Can I get some work? कुछ चीज हमें गलत रास्ते पर ले जाती है। Something takes us on the wrong path. Something takes us on the wrong path. किसी को बेवजह डांटना गलत बात है. It's wrong to scold someone unnecessarily. It's wrong to scold someone unnecessarily. हमें फोन का गलत उपयोग नहीं करना चाहिए था. We should not have misused the phone. We should not have misused the phone. इंडिया का नाम अब भारत होने जा रहा है. Indian's name is now going to be Bharat. Indian's name is now going to be Bharat. हमें अब कार लेना चाहिए. We should take the car now. We should take the car now. हमारा क्रिकेट खेलने अब बारिश के कारण रुक गया है. Our cricket play has now stopped due to rain. Our cricket play has now stopped due to rain. मैं इस गांव में फंस गया हूँ, मेरी मदद करो. I am stuck in this village, help me. I am stuck in this village, help me. तुम जल्दी से कपड़े बदल कर आ जाओ. You change your clothes quickly and come back. You change your clothes quickly and come back. तुम इतना कंजूस क्यों रहते हो? Why do you live so miserly? Why do you live so miserly? तुम उसे बार बार क्यों परेशान कर रहे हो? Why are you bothering him again and again? Why are you bothering him again and again? तुम्हें अब जल्दी जाना होगा. You have to go now quickly. You have to go quickly now. Thanks. Subscribe please and help me to support.